Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing how to enable read aloud option on your web browser. Using this feature, you can read aloud a web page even without looking at your phone. Which means if you enable this option, the phone will read that web page for you. You can turn off your screen and save your battery. So all you need to do is go to the App Store and install Google app. Then you need to open it and search for any website. This feature may not work for every website, but it works for almost every popular websites like BBC, CNN, Wikipedia, etc. If you want to read a news, then you can select a news, and at the top right corner you can see a read aloud option. Then press it.
Hong Kong's first trial under national security law starts without
If your
jury.
sleep time is about 30 seconds, your screen will automatically turn off and you can still listen to the news. It's like a podcast. You can skip 15 seconds. You can pause it.
He faces life in jail. Beijing says the national security law criminalizes subversive.
And by the way, if you'd like to know about a celebrity, you can just Google and search for that celebrity. And from Wikipedia you can know about anything regarding that celebrity. And this is it. I hope this video would be helpful for you. If you like this kind of videos, you can subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of helpful videos like this. And by the way, you can adjust the speed of the rate of speech by pressing the three dots over there, and you can change the voice. Unfortunately, the app was not working well. I think the app has crashed. Yeah, the app's not working. Let's try one more time. Now I'll be showing how to change the voice and the rate of speech. There's a three dot over there. When you press it, you can see.
5 years after the Brexit vote, the
Oh, it's not working.
election lost it.
Yeah. You can adjust the speed up to 2 times. Now I'll be changing it to 1.25 times. And now you can change the sound. And that's it. Thanks so much.